Hello, I'm Mihela. Today we talk about a bird that lives in every continent except Antarctica. The Sanderling. Small, spritly shorebird, Sanderling is a small wading bird. It is a circumpolar Arctic breeder. It is a long-distance migrant, wintering North to South America, South Europe, Africa, Asia and Australia. Breathing plumage shows rusty tones on upper parts, often with a frosty appearance when fresh. By midsummer, the frosty feather tips fade away and the neck can be deep, rich red, not to be confused with the much smaller red neck tint, very pale in winter. It is highly gregarious in winter, sometimes forming large flocks on coastal mudflats or sandy beaches. Flocks are usually seen on open beaches, well known for running back and forth, chasing waves, and feeding actively in the sand. Their calls are like locally named Valley Hinna. I have not seen the Sanderling. One such place you can see them is the Pasikuda beach. The Pasikuda beach is a beach in the eastern Sri Lanka. Pasikuda Bay, where the Pasikuda beach is, has many hotels, and during its season, from May to November, the sea magically turns into like a swimming pool without waves, where you can walk up to even 100 meters deep into the ocean. It's a beach not to be missed. We have spent 3 nights in Pasikuda just before the COVID hit.